Kids, summer vacation is finally here.
We've all worked so hard these past months.
I think it's time for a family trip.
Are we going somewhere fun?
Not just fun. This year, we're planning something meaningful.
Somewhere we can relax, learn about local culture, and spend real time together.
That sounds perfect. Where are we going?
We're going to a beautiful seaside town.
It has sandy beaches, old villages, delicious food, and wonderful people.
Beaches? That means swimming. Yes, and much more than that. We'll explore, learn, and make memories together.
This is gonna be the best summer ever. Yes, Mom. I packed my dresses, sandals, and swimsuit.
Jack, what about you?
I packed my beach ball, sunglasses, and snacks.
Snacks? We're going to eat delicious local food there.
I know, but I still need snacks for the ride.
I can't believe we're finally taking this trip.
Sometimes we get so busy with work and school that we forget how important family time is.
That's why this trip matters. It's not just a vacation. It's time for us to reconnect.
I like the sound of that. Dad, look out the window. I can see the ocean. Wow. It's huge.
The water is sparkling in the sunlight. It's beautiful.
Welcome to our summer paradise.
I want to run to the beach right now. First, let's check into the hotel.
This place is so peaceful. I already feel relaxed.
That's the magic of traveling. It takes us away from the noise of everyday life.
And brings us to the beach.
Jack only cares about swimming.
Of course. It's summer.
Let's start our trip by visiting the local market. Wow, this place is so colorful.
There are so many fruits I've never seen before. Local markets tell us a lot about a place.
They show how people live, what they eat, and what they create.
Look at these handmade baskets. They're beautiful.
The people here make them by hand, using natural materials.
That must take a long time.
It does. Handmade crafts carry tradition and history.
I want to buy one for Grandma.
That's a lovely idea. Hello. Would you like to see our handmade scarves? Every scarf is woven by local women in the village. That's wonderful. We'll take two.
I like how friendly everyone is here.
Every culture has its own warmth. We just need to slow down and notice it.
Today we're visiting the cultural village nearby.
These houses look so different from ours.
They look old, but really cool.
These homes were built in the traditional style of this region.
Everything feels so peaceful here.
Life here is simple, but full of tradition.
This is what I wanted you both to experience. Because there's more to life than screens, schedules, and busy cities.
Always. Different communities teach us different ways of living.
It makes me realize how big the world is.
Would you like to try making a traditional clay pot?
Yes!
Mine looks terrible.
It looks creative.
The point, the point is to enjoy the experience.
It's harder than it looks.
That's why these crafts are special.
I'm starving.
Perfect timing. We're gonna try some local dishes for lunch. The water feels amazing.
All right, I'm coming.
Watching you all laugh like this makes my heart so happy.
These are the moments we remember forever.
Look at the sunset.
The sky is orange and pink.
It's breathtaking.
Nature has a way of making us feel small and grateful at the same time.
It will last in our memories.
I didn't know sunsets could be this beautiful. Sometimes the most beautiful things are the simplest.
Like sitting together and watching the sky.
Let's walk along the shore tonight.
The stars are so bright here. There are more stars than at home.
That's because there are fewer city lights.
It feels peaceful.
Peace is something we all need. I feel happy!
Because we're all together and nobody is rushing. Tomorrow is our last day.
What was everyone's favorite part? The beach! And the seafood!
I loved the village and learning about the local culture.
I loved watching our family enjoy every moment together.
My favorite part was seeing all of us slow down and appreciate life.
I learned that vacations are more than just fun. They help families spend time together.
And they help us learn about the world.
A meaningful vacation changes us in some way.
I think this trip changed me. appreciate simple things more now. Family meals, nature, and time together.
That makes me so happy.
Every trip has to end, but the memories stay with us.
I'll never forget this vacation.
Best vacation ever! Best vacation ever!